It's the dead of winter, it's freezing out here, and my hands should be numb by now, but they are not. Let me show you why. Welcome to another quick unboxing with me, G Vader at GV Tech. Today, I'm unboxing a rechargeable hand warmer that also works as a power bank. It's one of those gadgets you don't think you need until winter hits properly. Inside the box, it's nice and simple. You get the hand warmer itself, a USB cable, and some instructions. First impressions, it's compact, roughly palm-sized, about 8 centimeters across and weighing about 200 grams. It's small enough to drop inside a coat pocket or bag without even thinking about it. On the front, there's a bright LED display. This shows you the temperature clearly, which is actually really useful. You're not guessing how warm it is. There are 3 heat levels, ranging from 42 degrees, 47 degrees, and 52 degrees, so you can choose something gentle or turn it up when it's really cold. One of the best things here is the heating speed. It warms up in about 5 seconds. You turn it on and almost immediately you can feel the heat coming through. And because this is double-sided heating, both sides warm up evenly. That means you don't need to keep flipping it around like other hand warmers. You just hold it and both hands stay warm. Inside, there's a 5200 mAh battery, so alongside keeping your hands warm, it also works as a power bank. It outputs at 5 volts and 2.1 amps, which is enough to give your phone a decent top-up when you're out and about. It's not meant to replace your main charger, but it's perfect as an emergency backup, especially in cold weather when batteries drain faster. Overall, this is one of those everyday winter gadgets that quietly earns its place. Whether you're commuting, walking the dog, sitting in a cold office, traveling, or spending time outdoors, it's genuinely useful. Warm hands and a charged phone in one small device is a solid combo. If you enjoy practical tech like this, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one. Be good.